You gotta stop moving long enough for me to take pictures of you, baby. Where you going? Hey, pretty girl. Whoop. Oh, yeah, there was other doggies there. Where you going, pretty? Amy, you're an awful pretty girl. What you doing? Whoop. This is good lighting in here, y'all. Where you going, Amy? What'd you find? Huh? Where's my purse? Hey, kitty. You want to go home, don't you? Say, somebody come take me home. Yeah. You want to go home? Amy, you want to go for a ride? Amy, you go for a ride? Figured she might know that one. Not with me, she doesn't. She just went in the cat room. Oh my God. Nobody cares. No big deal. What's that? Cats? Cages full of cats? Who cares? All right. Good girl, Amy. Can you sit? Not for me, Amy. Look at her. She's such a cute trotter. Come here, babe. Amy. Come here. You just want to go home, don't you? Come here, sweetness. Good girl.